and select from date to date for the tickets and search. You can see the ticket under here. Just select the ticket and you click for that ticket, and if you are starting for this shift working, then click on start. Enter remark, enter the travel mode, enter the kilometer and OK. Now you are working for this ticket. Enter the details. Save. Enter the job details. And enter the feedback. Enter the signatory details. Enter their mobile number and on add their signature. Enter any email and click on final lane. Or if you want to pause the ticket and start after some time, that also you can click. And if you want to add any helper and add for request. Request for now the request goes towards the supervisor, and supervisor will assign any technician, and then they will start working with you. Like this you can add request for helper as well. Click on final end. Like this you can check for the regular service ticket as well. Now we'll see through ERP. For that particular ticket, click after clicking on the ticket, you can check under the assignment tab, ticket was assigned to whom. Under the analysis also you can check the part related remark, or what was the cause, what was the feedback, all the details regarding the analysis. If they have attached videos and photos or signed any copy related to work, that will be shown under the assignment tab. Also, if you want to add any service or phone to change any part, like battery and any other part for that, for this particular ticket, you can create the service order from service order here. You can change the job type as well. Just save the details and click on chargeable and save. Once you click on save, click on the sales order. Add the service render date. Just save. Add the new record, and whatever the part you want to replace, add the details. Enter the cost, enter the usage, and save. After clicking on docs, click on the quotation, generate quotation. Like this, you can generate the quotation. This is the standard formatted quotation. Close the ticket. Once you have sent the quotation to customer, then mark as quotation. And once you got the approval for this particular quotation, mark as approved. Like this, you can create the sales order for that ticket as well. Also, under job monitoring, you can check under the master login activity. Suppose I am checking from 1st of June whom technician login for which route you can check for this particular route. Name of that employee, employee number, and employee name from which organization they have login, availability status, at what time they have login, time and date, and check in time and check out time that you can check from this master job register. You can check what job type, different job type register for ticket. Like if you want to check for regular service ticket from 1st of June to suppose from 1st of February to till this date, how much regular service tickets will generated that you can check from here. Also, if you want to check for callback tickets, that also you can check from here. Like this, you can check. Travel expenses. If you want to check the travel expenses from uh, any particular date till today's date for any specific employee, that also you can check. Like how much kilometer technician has traveled, what is the total amount. As we have set the configuration under mode of travel for a particular kilometer and mode of travel for the bike, we have set it per kilometer 4 rupees according to the travel expenses we calculated. Here you can check. As the technician traveled for 4 kilometer per kilometer 4 rupees according to that 16 amount is calculated. Like this, the amount will calculate. Under the reports, you can check different reports related to how much callback was registered. That also you can check in detail under this report, callback register ticket. Callback report all calls. Under this report, you can check the all calls registered, all related report. If you want to check for callback ticket analysis, what was the cause, notifications, what is the status name, what was the equipment ID, that also you can check under this report. You want to check for any sales order related report, that also you can check. If you want to check for customer detail list, that also you can check. Like this, callback related also report can check. Callback ticket analysis, callback ticket details, that also you can check. Like we export one report. Here you can check registered on, what was the ticket number, what was the SBL, what was the contract type, NIS unit. Like this, you can check for multiple reports.